Round 2.
Hi, Cal Marks here. We had a great engagement with the Queensland Broker Trivia, and now we've extended it out to the New South Wales region. And joining me, we have some fantastic New South Wales lender BDMs with 4 or 5 simple questions in total, multi-choice, so it makes it easy. Go in the draw to win a $250 Visa gift card. You may choose to use that yourself or donate it to a business in need right now. Any questions or something you're not sure of, just message the appropriate BDM. They'll send you their latest product guide, which will have the answers within the product guide itself.
Hi, it's James from Azora Home Loans here. My question for the quiz is, what will Azora, for an alt-doc home loan, take in place of an accountant's letter? Thank you.
It's Mitch Stanmore here, New South Wales BDM for Azora Finance. My question is, what is our max threshold for an ABN 24 months registration, GST and non-property backed?
Hi guys, it's George Steele from Grow Finance, and my question is, with the Grow Asset Finance offering, what is our end of term policy for trucks and trailers?
Guys, it's Andrew from Lumi. My question today is, what are the payout penalties on Lumi's revolving line of credit?
Look forward to announcing the winner coming up, so we'll draw that by the end of the month. Any questions, also feel free to message myself directly. Have a great day.